Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to check out how to make your first investment on Bright. Are you ready to put your money to work? Making your first investment on Bright is quick and beginner friendly. Here's how to get started. First, launch the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. And then once you're in, tap on the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. Before you invest, you want to make sure that your investment account is set up. If it's not, you're going to be prompted to create one by entering your basic financial information. Once your account is ready, tap on Explore Investments. You're going to see a list of curated options like stocks, ETFs, and themed bundles. Choose one that fits your interest or risk level. Tap on the asset that you want to invest in and then tap Invest Now. Enter the amount that you'd like to invest. Bright often allows you to start with as little as $5. Select your funding source, either your Bright balance or a linked bank account. Finally, tap Confirm Investment. Bright will process your order and notify you once it's complete. And that's it. You've officially made your first investment on Bright. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.